You know, strictly speaking, there are pretty much only two ways to get rich in crypto. Either you get in early or you play smart and you buy the market dumps. But the question is, of course, what should you buy during those market dumps? It can't always be Bitcoin and Ethereum. To hold some of those two is obviously our recommendation, but there are a lot of other opportunities as well. So my team and I went bargain hunting. We're looking at two altcoins in today's video that are particularly great buys in these kind of underwhelming market conditions. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck if you choose to invest. Maybe that's going to be in these two altcoins or other crypto projects that we talk about. I wish you well, but I'm not a financial or investment advisor. So just remember that this video is not official financial or investment advice. Introducing Altcoin Buzz Alpha, where you can manage your crypto portfolio with regular updates and top insights for only $15 per month. Get hot Web3 trends, undervalued crypto gems, daily portfolio strategies, and of course, response to all your questions and queries. Check it out. Join today. Links are in the description below. Okay, we're starting off with our first opportunity for the day, which is Chainge Finance. We actually took a look at this project kind of indirectly yesterday. Check out that video if you've not already. But in essence, Chainge Finance is a DeFi app that's growing rapidly, but particularly in three areas. DEX aggregation. So Chainge aggregates liquidity from multiple decentralized exchanges to provide users with the best possible prices and trade routes. Another key area is cross-chain transactions, because Chainge allows users to swap tokens across different blockchains, thus making it easier to access liquidity from a pretty wide range of markets. It's also mobile friendly. Chainge is available on both iOS and Android devices, which of course makes it easier for users to trade on the go. Now, in order to find the best rates and trade routes for the two coins that you want to swap, a DEX aggregator searches decentralized exchanges across all cryptocurrencies. You won't even be able to tell which protocol you traded on when this eventually becomes the standard. But for the time being, we employ DEX aggregators, which offer excellent prices and high liquidity. The ticker for Chainge Finance is CHNG, Chainge. And from its bear market low of about 3 cents to its current price of 7.2 cents, Chainge has had a positive year overall. It did get as high as about 13 or so cents, but the all-time high for context is 20.1 cents that occurred in December of 2021. It's got a market cap right now of $32 million, which represents a great bargain right now. By the way, it's a main industry aggregator and it's number 43 in terms of TVL, total value locked, across all of DeFi. So even though its crypto rank, as you can see here, is number 504, again, number 43 in TVL across all of DeFi. Just think about Uniswap, which on the other side of the fence is valued at $4 billion, or about 100 times more. Now, we've referenced Chainge quite a bit as of late, actually, as well. So you may realize they offer pretty extraordinary services too, like margin trading and derivatives. Check out this video if you've not already. However, just because it's getting to be more well-known right now does not mean you miss this opportunity. Again, we can do a 3x to the previous all-time high of 20 cents. I think that's entirely realistic for the upcoming bull cycle of 2024 and 2025. All right, next up, and at number 2 on our list, we're looking at Goldfinch. This is a DeFi protocol that offers real yield from real companies. Real world asset tokenization, RWAs. This is a hot topic right now in the crypto space, and Goldfinch is one of the most promising projects in this particular category. Goldfinch is a decentralized credit protocol that allows users to lend USDC to businesses in emerging markets, and the loans are secured by real world assets, such as invoices and inventory. So this gives investors the peace of mind that their capital is backed by tangible assets, and it also allows borrowers to access much needed financing without having to put up traditional collateral. Goldfinch is still in its early stages, but it's already attracted a lot of attention from investors. The project's market cap, as you can see here, is $23.5 million, but a 50x increase would take it to about $1 billion. And if you take a look at its previous all-time high, over a year ago, $32.94. So we're down 98.76% from that all-time high. I think it's entirely realistic, given everything this project is doing, for it to at least approach that previous all-time high. This is a realistic possibility given the strong demand for RWA-backed lending products. And then in addition to all the attractive yield potential that I'm talking about, Goldfinch has also the potential to make a real impact on the world by providing businesses access to capital in emerging markets. So Goldfinch has a real-world use case to boost economic growth and improve living standards. Check this one out. It is certainly at a bargain right now. All right, and last but not least, as a bit of a bonus here and just a reminder, we have Bitcoin because you should always be holding some BTC. As I've said many times, if you don't hold at least a little bit of Bitcoin in your portfolio, then you're doing it wrong in terms of crypto strategy. Bitcoin is often compared to gold. Bitcoin's market value is in the $530 billion range, which is still a fraction of gold's $12 trillion. So thought experiment here. If Bitcoin were to reach gold's current market cap, that would mean $600,000 per BTC. About a 20x from where we stand right now. And that's the question, right? Do you think Bitcoin could become even more valuable than gold? Maybe you believe that Bitcoin could be the future of money. Or more specifically, maybe you think the value of dollars, euros, yen, renminbi, and rubles, they're going to continue to decline over time with inflation being a major part of the formula. That's my perspective. That's my opinion. But pragmatically, if you believe in any of these three things, then you probably should have at least some Bitcoin in your crypto portfolio. Bitcoin will benefit from legitimate market growth and declining fiat value. And look, just as $50 doesn't buy all that much anymore, inflation and eroding purchasing power mean that Bitcoin will grow just by having value outside of fiat currencies. Don't forget the halving is coming up. Don't forget the scarcity argument is about to be in play again. Let me know what you guys think about that. Hopefully you do have some BTC in your portfolio.